Okay, so a patient comes in for a consultation with you, and she has breast implants, but she's heard about this new California breast lift. Is she a candidate?
Oftentimes, yes. If she has excessive fat in areas she wants to get rid of, we can remove these breast implants and fill the breast with fat. Now, it depends how much breast tissue she has to start with. And that sometimes limits how much we can do on the first procedure. But remember, we can go back and fill it at various times to the size they want. You can almost titrate it, get it just to the right amount that the patient desires.
I love this option for women who have breast implants and maybe are wanting to go to a more natural look. And I think as we age, we probably tier to go a little smaller in our breast implant size. And I love the fact that you said that you don't have the contraction or the spasms from the natural fat transfer as women do with the breast implants.
Those are all great points. And not only that, because this is your own tissue, it stays. You don't have to remove the implant or replace it with time.